Hello students, how is everyone? In my previous video we have learned how to do addition horizontally. Today we are going to do word problems. In today's video we will also cover exercise 2.1 question number 2 and 4 which we have not done earlier. We will do that in our maths fair notebook. Also we will do exercise 2.5 in notebook. Okay? Students, today we are going to start with understanding what are word problems. Word problems arise from some situations where there is some gain or increase of something as a result of combining one or more numbers. Okay, so let us look into some example to understand it better. Example is a school library has 3730 French books and 2531 English book. How many books are there in library? So what we have to do? There is some information given and we have to find out how many books are there in library. So first of all what we will do? Read the problem and find out what is to be found. So here we have to find the number of total books in library. Second step will be what information is given. So what information is given? French books in library is given and English book in library is given. The third step says what is to be done. Now we have to find out the total. So we have to add it. Okay. So we will add French books and English book. Last sum is do the sum. Okay. So let us understand now. Do the sum, do the solution of this. So according to the information in the question, how many French books do we have? 3730 French books in school library. And how many English books do we have? 2531 in school library. Then what we have to do? We have to find how many books are there in all in the library. So we will add, what will come here? 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 here and 1 carry, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Total books is equal to 6261 in school library. Students, I believe you all must have understood how to do word problems now. Do this exercise 2.5 on page number 39, question number 1 in your book, and after this we are going to start with our fair notebook work. So kindly pay attention accordingly. Students, first you have to write down the date, chapter name, addition and exercise 2.1. Question number 2, after leaving one line, full question you have to write. After that, write the A part. The question says write each of the following in expanded form and add. The A part says 3243 plus 4326. So first we have to put it in column under ones, tens, hundred and thousand like this. And then what does the question says? Write each of the following in expanded form. So we have to put it in expanded form. So how we will write it in an expanded form? Put an arrow. This is 3243. So for 3 we will write 3000. Then we will put the sign of addition. For 100 the digit is 2. So we will write 200. For tens it is 4. Then we have to write 40 plus 3. For the next number, we will write 4000. Just under 3000 you have to write 4000. Digit should come under this, like this way, properly. For 100 it is 300. For tens it is 20. For ones it is 6. Write expanded form here. Okay. Now we will start adding from the one side. 3 plus 6 is 9. 0 plus 0 will be here 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. Put the sign of addition in between. 0, double 0 will come here. 2 plus 3 is 5. Here triple 0 will come, and 3 plus 4 is 7. Now we have to write it in standard form. So for 9 it will come as 9. For 60 it will come as 6. For 500 it will come as 5. And for 7000 it will be 7. Like this you have to do rest of the sums, rest of the part of question number 2. Clear? After doing question 2, question number 4 of exercise 2.1, you will start from next page. Just see how many lines you have to leave in between. After writing A part, this question says write each of the following in columns and add. So how do we write in columns? We put it in 1000, 100, tens and ones. So the first number is 7248. The next number is 1364. We have to put the sign of addition, and then we have to start adding. 8 plus 4, 8 in my mind, 4 fingers up. 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 we will write here, and for 1 we will make this box, and 1 we will carry. 4 plus 6, 4 in my mind, 6 fingers up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 we will write here, and 1 we will carry. 2 plus 3, 2 in my mind, 3 fingers up. 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 1, 8. So this makes 8612. The next part B we will do here, and C and D part we will do on under this after leaving one line. Clear? Next exercise which we have to do in notebook is exercise 2.5, question number 2. Okay, so we will write down this, and we will write down the A part. Now students, we will read question number 2 part A from page number 39 of book. It is Nilima, Seema and Mandira bought 420, 105 and 215 bananas respectively. How many bananas did they buy in all? Now what information is given in the question? First we have to find out that. There are Nilima, Seema and Mandira have bought bananas, and also the number is mentioned that how many bananas they have bought. Each one of has bought. Nilima has bought 420, Seema has bought 105 and Mandira has bought 250. Now they want how much bananas they buy in all. Means together they have bought how many bananas. Now let us see how we will write it in fair notebook and do its solution. So in notebook, we will not write the full question. We have to write the question like this. Nilima, comma, Seema, comma, and then dot 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 you have to put till here, and in last you will write by in all question mark. After writing this, leave one line. In the margin you will write SOL. SOL means solution. So question says Nilima, Seema and Mandira bought 420, 105 and 215 bananas respectively. How many bananas did they buy in all? So what sentence we will make? Nilima bought is equal to 420 bananas. Seema bought is equal to 105 bananas. Mandira bought is equal to 215 bananas. After that, we have to find out total number of bananas bought. So total bananas bought is equal to, and we will do the addition. That is 740. Okay, and this will be written as answer. Clear? Students, now you all have to write the solution of this question in the similar manner which I have shown you in notebook. Now we will move to our next question, question number 2, B part. So what is it on page number 39 in book? A train is carrying 1248 passengers. At the next station, 465 more passengers get into the train. How many passengers are there in the train now? So already there are some passengers, and on next station some more get into the train. So we have to find out how many passengers are there in train in total now. Okay. So now we will write in notebook a train, then dot 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 dot, and then train now question mark. Then we will write, after leaving one line, solution SOL. Okay. Then we will make the place value columns, and after that, how many passengers were there? Passengers in train 1248. Then on next station, more passengers 465. Then we will have to find out total passengers in the train now. So what we will do? Addition, 8 plus 3 is 13. 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 11, and 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7, and then 1. So total number of passenger, what will be the answer? Total number of passenger in train now is 1713. Students, this is how you all have to complete your notebook work for chapter 2, exercise 2.1, question number 2 and 4, and exercise 2.5, question number 2, A part and B part. You may complete this work in another 1 or 2 days and send it to me through WhatsApp. If you have any query, you may message or call me. With this, we have completed our chapter 2, that is addition. I hope you all must have understood it. So bye bye and take care.